Which is a real challenge for people.
You say it's a challenge. What help can people get with that, though? Is there anyone that can come and help them? I don't just mean a brother or a mother or a sister or whatever, but...
So it varies by area. In lots of areas it might be local assisted advice, charities like Local Minds. There are places where there's support out there where people can help work through those brown envelopes, work out what the next step is and help people start to make those calls and get things back on track.
Helen?
Communication difficulties is definitely one of the most common things that we see. We found in our research that over half of people with mental health problems have significant difficulty using the telephone to call essential services like banks or to get in touch with the benefit system. And that's not just people saying, I don't like using the telephone, that's people having panic attacks, heart palpitations, who physically can't do that. And so we think, yes, there's a role for having someone else there to help, but there's also an important way of making systems more accessible. If people are struggling to use the telephone, why is it not possible to communicate by email? Could we look at increased use of web chat or other communication channels that people might find easier to use? We're used to making these kinds of adjustments for people with physical disabilities or sensory impairments.